Chapter 2, The Speck of Judgment, Understanding the Danger of Criticism. The speck may seem tiny, insignificant even, but its presence causes division and pain among God's people. When we point out the faults of others without first addressing our own, we become agents of division rather than unity. As a warrior of light, I declare that unchecked judgment is a venom that weakens the body of Christ. Criticism can be wielded as a sword or a shield. Too often, it becomes a weapon of destruction, tearing down when it should build up. The challenge is this: if you have a massive beam in your own life, a sin or character flaw that blinds you, how can you effectively help your brother with his speck? You cannot. Any attempt to do so not only fails but drags you both into the mire of hypocrisy and resentment. True spiritual power flows from mercy and compassion. A warrior's justice is patient and self-controlled, rooted in understanding that every individual is on a journey and battle. Do not be quick to judge or condemn, instead, move forward with the intention to heal and restore. This teaching shakes the foundation on which many build their sense of righteousness. Be vigilant, and remember, the smallest fault can become a raging fire if fanned by harsh, unmerciful judgment. Harness your words and actions with divine wisdom. Seek to uplift, not to destroy.